AJ. My name is AJ and I go to HCS. Hi, my name is AJ York and I am 8 years old. This year I am going to be in 3rd grade. I love to read, I love to eat, I love to play, and I love to do Legos. My favorite thing to do with Mama is have sleepovers in her room. My favorite things to do are to read, to eat, to play, and to do Legos. My favorite food is sushi. Any type of sushi as long as it's not spicy. My favorite things to do with my daddy is to read books with him and to play around. And I like to have pillow fights. Oh, and I'm on a running team called FCPX. I'm on a running team called Pacific Coast Shockwaves. And I run cross country. I run cross country for Pacific Coast Shockwaves. My name is Ethan and I go to HCS. I'll be in 3rd grade and I'm 8 years old.